Join our hands for chanting of Omkar thrice. Sairam children. And today, because every Saturday we are missing our one period, and this is happening from many days. Yes, and coming Saturday, Independence Day. After that, Ganesh Chaturthi. So we have to do our work well in our one period in a week. And today I would like to finish this chapter, and everybody learn what we are discussing today, and you are able to see the text. We already discussed many things, but one very important thing I would like to explain you today, and that is about neutralization reaction. I already started this part earlier, but neutralization, किसी भी चीज को न्यूट्रलाइज कर देना. And here is a very good interesting activity. This activity to be demonstrated by the teacher in the class. So because class is not virtual class, so I will show you later the video of this. But I would like to explain. Vyom, you are able to see the screen? Good.
Yes, sir.
So on the screen you are able to see two test tubes. These two test tubes, and you can see what is written in first test tube: acid plus indicator, and in the top base is written. And all of you know the color of in the test tube, second test tube, is pink. How to show neutralization reaction? The meaning of neutralization: to neutralize the effect of each other. If we mix them in equal quantity. यदि हम, देखो बेटा, ये एक बात बहुत जरूरी है समझने की. All of you know that acid plus base means salt and water. लेकिन मैंने इतना बोतल ऑफ एसिड लिया है और 1 ड्रॉप ऑफ बेस में डाल रहा हूं. सौम्या दीदी, यू कैन ओपन योर माइक. आई एम आस्किंग क्वेश्चन टू सौम्या.
Yes, sir.
A bottle of acid and a drop of base, will it neutralize the effect of each other?
No.
Okay. प्रशांत केवट. प्रशांत प्रशांत केवट, ये मोबाइल ऑन करके चले गए हैं. आप अटेंड कर रहे हैं या आपके घर का कोई और मेंबर क्लास अटेंड कर रहा है? वैशाली, हाँ
Yes,
बेटा,
sir.
आपको मेरी बात समझ में आई?
Yes, sir.
तो बताइए कि एक बॉटल एसिड में 1 ड्रॉप बेस डाल दिया जाए तो क्या वो न्यूट्रल हो जाएगा? हमें
सर फिर से रिपीट करिए.
इन अ ग्लास ऑफ बॉटल, ये एक बॉटल में है, एसिड भरा हुआ है, इसमें 1 ड्रॉप बेस डाल दिया जाए तो क्या होगा? अच्छा, कुछ लोग कैमरा ऑन करिए, जो कैमरा ऑन कर सकते हैं। आई वुड लाइक टू सी। क्या होगा अनुमेगा? नितेश बेटा टाइम से आया करो। यस अमय, यू कैन स्पीक।
Sir, it will be acidic salt.
Very good. It will be acidic salt. And if we add a drop of acid in bottle of base, so that will be basic salt. Okay? नीतीश बेटा ध्यान इधर रखो, इमोजी बनाने में ध्यान मत रखो है बेटा। Now again I am showing you that this is, so what we are doing, take 2 test tube and fill 1/4 of a test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid। एक टेस्ट ट्यूब का 1/4 हिस्सा डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड बेस से फिलअप कर देंगे। नोट डाउन इट्स कलर। देखो बेटा, कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशंस होते हैं हमारे व्हेनेवर वी डू एक्सपेरिमेंट। एक्सपेरिमेंट में जब व्हेनेवर वी ऐड वन थिंग टू अनदर थिंग, देन वी चेक व्हाट हैपेंस। These observation may be in many form: color change, order change, smell change, heat evolved, heat released. What happens when one thing is added to another thing? So first take 1/4 of test tube, dilute hydrochloric acid in 1/4 of test tube. Note down in its color. Take phenolphthalein, note down its color. Now add 2-3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator to hydrochloric acid. Shake the test tube gently. जब हम टेस्ट ट्यूब को लेते हैं और उसको शेक करते हैं, तो यहाँ कुछ प्रिकॉशंस रखना होता है। वी हैव टू टेक सम प्रिकॉशंस। ऐसे कभी नहीं करते। ये टेस्ट ट्यूब मान लीजिए is a cap of my pen filled with some solution, acid plus indicator. How I will shake it? Like this, not in front of mouth of our friends. ऐसे ऐसे करेंगे तो उसका सॉल्यूशन बाहर निकल आएगा कि नहीं? Yes? So ऐसे gently shake it, and when we shake it, then check what happens. Again we check what happens when we shake it. Shake the test tube gently and observe any change in color of the acid. क्या कलर चेंज होगा? व्योम?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अच्छा बेटा, can you guess what is the color of dilute hydrochloric acid without adding indicator? हेलो? ओके, सो अभी हमने क्या किया? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड लिया, फिनोल्फथालीन लिया, कुछ ड्रॉप उसमें डाला, उसका कलर चेक किया। अब ये जो भी कलर आया है उसमें फिर से हम सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन डालेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ ड्रॉपर। यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं बेस इज एडिंग इन एसिड प्लस इंडिकेटर। तो एसिड और इंडिकेटर में हमने सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड ऐड किया, और जब when acidic solution is mixed with basic solution, both the solutions neutralize the effect of each other. So when both are in equal quantity or in suitable amounts, they will neutralize the effect of each other. They will destroy. Acid will destroy the nature of base. Base will destroy the nature of acid. And when we touch the test tube immediately, it will become little bit hot. The evolved heat raise the temperature of the mixture. Yes, open your camera. Everybody, जो अभी भी सो के उठे हैं उनको छोड़ दे, भाग गए कुछ तो, वैशाली चली गई। हाँ, हमें आगे कैथरीन, यस आदित्य, Catherine, are you there? Yes. I am asking one question to you, Catherine, and everybody will be in this way. Open camera. Soumya, why you disappear again? Are you getting my voice properly, Catherine? Okay. When I add neutralization reaction, okay, take hydrochloric acid, phenolphthalein. When we add phenolphthalein in the hydrochloric acid, its color will change or not? Catherine, its color will change or not?
Sir, in what?
When we add phenolphthalein in hydrochloric acid, its color will change or not?
Sir, I think it will change into
आदित्य, अभी सो के उठा आदित्य?
No, sir.
है ना? रात में टेस्ट का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन सुबह तक चला था। Amay, can you give answer?
Sir, it will change its color to colorless.
So what was its color earlier? Hydrochloric acid. Anybody who is interested? Arush, open your camera. Vyom,
Yes, sir.
what was the color? What is the color of phenolphthalein?
It is pink.
Okay. What is the normal color of hydrochloric acid? Colorless, transparent, white? Yes? When we add phenolphthalein in hydrochloric acid, what will happen?
It will become colorless.
Yes.
Colorless? Arush? Arush? Arush is not
Yes, sir.
when we add phenolphthalein in hydrochloric acid, yes, it is colorless in acid. आपने याद नहीं किया अभी तक। अब हो गया एसिड, वो पिंक अपीयर होगा, डिसअपीयर हो जाएगा। अब उस कलरलेस सॉल्यूशन में फिर से हमने बेस डाल दिया, तो फिर क्या होगा?
Sir, it will once more become colorless.
अरे यार, एसिड के साथ भी कलरलेस, फिर बेस डाल दिया, फिर भी कलरलेस, और शुरू में भी कलरलेस, तो कलर आया कब था?
सर, जब उसको ऐड करो तब तो ये आता है, फिर जब उसको शेक कराता है वो कलरलेस बन जाएगा।
लेकिन फिर बेस मिला दिया जाएगा, फिर क्या होगा? फिर वो एसिड का असर न्यूट्रलाइज करके पहली जैसी कंडीशन में आ जाएगा। ओके, सो बात कहने की यह है कि एक बार अगर उसका कलर चेंज होता है लेकिन हम बेस मिला देते हैं तो फिर से उसका कलर चेंज हो जाएगा। दिस इज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन, दिस इज न्यूट्रलाइजेशन। ओके, so in neutralization reaction a new substance is formed and this is salt. Salt may be acidic, basic or neutral. So the reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization reaction. The reaction between acid and base is called neutralization reaction. And I am showing you something on the board. आपको कितना बोर्ड दिखाई देता है मुझे बताइएगा. Okay. Example with hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. Yes, what is this?
Sir, sodium hydroxide.
Very good. What is this?
Sir, hydrochloric acid.
Very good. What is this?
Sodium chloride.
Excellent. And what is this?
Water.
Water.
Fantastic. So, this is base plus acid become salt plus water. Got it? Acid plus base becomes salt and water. Is it clear to all? This is sodium hydroxide. This is hydrochloric acid. This is sodium chloride. And this is water. Pani. So, beta, क्या बन रहा है? Salt is formed. So, how can we define salt? A new substance formed where acid and base mixed together is called salt. It is a new substance. That new substance formed when we mix acid and base. So after mixing acid and base, something new formed, and this is called salt. And later, in between these two reactions, some heat also evolves. And it makes the test tube little bit hot. So this is very important to understand about the acid and base, and with what example you can explain it. Was it clear to you? And so you can write, if suppose a very simple question. Explain neutralization reaction with one example. Write the equations also involved in it. So first you will define neutralization reaction. Second, you will write this example, and this is the equation. If you have problem in writing symbols, NaOH plus HCl becomes NaCl plus H2O. If you have problem, you can write word equation. What is word equation, beta? Sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid becomes sodium chloride plus water. And this is our main equation. Acid plus base becomes salt and water. Understood? So this is neutralization reaction. Now, in neutralization reaction, it is very much helpful in our day-to-day life. आप ये देख सकते हैं बेटा, acid plus water becomes salt and water. Heat is evolved. This is example. This is this acid plus base becomes salt and water. This is a basic equation. It is for all. It means in place of acid, any acid. In place of base, any base. This is example. Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide becomes sodium chloride and water. So this is very important. Is it clear? Now, if you add dilute sulfuric acid to lime water, will the reaction becomes hot or cold? Think and give me answer later. Now, there are three, four examples given that is related to our everyday life. And this everyday life, the first one, indigestion. Utilization reaction is very important in indigestion. अभी हम लोगों के यहाँ फेस्टिवल सीजन चल रहा है, isn't it? तो फेस्टिवल सीजन में हम लोग बहुत खुश रहते हैं, और हम लोग खुश तभी रहते हैं जो हमारा पेट खुश रहे, और पेट हमारा तब खुश रहता है जो हमारी टंग को अच्छे अच्छे टेस्ट मिलते हैं। क्या मिश्रा जी, सही कह रहा हूँ ना? सो और अगर हमको ऐसा खिचड़ी विचड़ी दलिया वलिया टाइप की, तो उसमें हमारा पेट खुश नहीं रहता। तो क्या हुआ कि राखी पे भी बहुत सारा आइटम बनाया मम्मी ने, तो वो 3-4 दिन खाया। फिर कृष्ण भगवान का बर्थडे था, अरे भैया बर्थडे है तो बर्थडे में तो फिर बहुत चीजें बनती है, फिर वो खाया, कल भी खाया, और थोड़ा सा पेट गड़बड़ हो गया। और जब पेट गड़बड़ होता है, इंडाइजेशन होता है, देन क्या होता है फिर? यू हर्ड अबाउट द वर्ड एसिडिटी। Acid, hydrochloric acid started to form and burning sensation. फिर जैसे वो एक ऐड भी आता है ना इनो का, फिर मम्मी बोलती है अजवाइन खा लो, कोई बोलता है कुछ खा लो, और लास्ट में इनो डालो, 6 सेकंड में खा। तो इतना खाते ही क्यों को कि फिर उस खाने को ठीक करने के लिए फिर कोई और खाना पड़े। राम पारासर बहुत लेट आए बेटा, राम आए हैं कि कोई और?
सर मैं तो
हाँ
सर मैं तो पहले ही आ गया था।
फिर बीच में चला गया था कहीं?
सर वो फोन आ गया था इसलिए।
ओहो, चल कोई बात नहीं, ऐसा होता है। ये अच्छी बात है कि लौट के आ जाया करो, सुबह का भूला शाम को लौटा है तो उसे भूला नहीं करते। तो अब क्या होता है, बहुत ज्यादा एसिड बनता है हमारी बॉडी में, तो हम कोई बेस ले लेंगे। क्या मीना जी, समझ में आ रहा है ना नीतीश? जब बहुत एसिड बन रहा है तो हम कोई बेसिक थिंग्स ले लेंगे। डॉक्टर से टैबलेट देते हैं एसिलॉग, उसमें होता क्या है? मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया। अब ये मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया क्या होता है? इट इज मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, तो एसिड, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, एसिलॉग, बेस, मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया, बेस, मिक्स टुगेदर, गेट रिलीव। हाँ, so what is happening? Acid plus base, salt and water. This is about indigestion. So this is the use of, what is the use? It is the use of neutralization reaction in our day-to-day life. And this is indigestion. Okay? Milk of magnesium. Yes, beta.
Sir, what is the work of HCl in our stomach?
Okay, beta, I explained in first chapter कि HCl, hydrochloric acid, present in limited quantity and it kills the germs that enter in our body with our food. But its excessive quantity make us difficult. Okay, beta. So magnesium hydroxide is milk of magnesia and it neutralizes the effect of excessive acid. Okay? अच्छा, कभी किसी को चींटी ने काटा है? मुझे तो कई बार काटा, ऐसे यहाँ काटती है तो इतना बड़ा हो जाता है, काटते हैं ना? क्यों आदित्य? तो आदित्य, which acid present in ants sting? Arush beta, I already informed your mother कि I will make it confirm and inform you. This is for class. If you are not interested in class and if you are interested only in Olympiad, you can go back. I got the message and I reply I will make it. Right now class is going and you are asking about the Olympiad. Is it good? Yes, Adit. Which acid present in ant cysteine?
Formic acid.
Formic acid. Yes, it is formic acid. So, पलक बेटा, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? पलक मालवीय को? पलक,
यस सर।
आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ सर।
पढ़ रही है घर पे?
हाँ
कैसे पढ़ती है बेटा? बुक है?
है।
गुड। हाँ, तो पढ़ा करो। रेगुलर क्लास में आते हो आप?
हाँ सर, वो मोबाइल का बैलेंस खत्म हो गया था ना, इसलिए।
ओके, कोई बात नहीं है ना। तो जब मोबाइल की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो तो रेगुलर क्लास आया करो, ठीक है बेटा? गुड। सो ants sting contains formic acid. What we have to do? क्या करें इसको भगाने के लिए? कितनी जलन होती है? यस अनुमेगा?
Sir, put base.
Add
Base.
baking
Sir,
soda
put
to it.
base on it.
बेकिंग सोडा। खाने बना
Sir,
पूरे छोले भटूरे सब बनाते हैं ना, मिश्रा जी पता है आपको तो। सो एसिड प्लस बेस न्यूट्रलाइज द इफेक्ट। अच्छा, कुछ नहीं मिला तो चूना लगाने लग चाहिए क्या? क्यों भैया? निखरा जी, चूने में क्या होता है?
Acid.
अच्छा, चूने में एसिड होता है, लाइम में बेस। उसका पानी में सॉल्यूशन बना लो, वो ठीक हो जाता है। हाँ, लेकिन चूना कहाँ ढूंढने जाएंगे? बेकिंग सोडा तो घर पे ही रहता है। हाँ, स्कूल में काट ले तो केमिस्ट्री लैब वाले सर लगा देंगे, ठीक है बेटा? सो दिस इज अनदर वे टू गेट रिलीफ फ्रॉम excessive acid enter in our skin and can be neutralized by base. This is now third one. The third, what about the soil? How can we check the soil is acidic or base? So sometimes soil becomes acidic and sometimes soil becomes basic. So this is soil treatment. This is very important. Beta, we are using chemical fertilizers in our field, and the chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic, and plants do not grow well when the soil is too acidic or too basic. क्या हो रहा है? सभी लोग fertilizers, farmers are using fertilizers in their field, and because of excessive fertilizers, it becomes either acidic or basic, and plants can't grow well in excessive acidic or excessive basic soil. So what we have to do? We have to neutralize it. First we have to check it. It is acidic or basic. What is its nature? Acidic nature or basic nature? So with the help of soil lab, we can check it. Is it acidic or base? And very important thing, the final, what we have to do when it is acidic or base. Very important point, when the soil is too acidic, we have to treat it with base. कौन सा base? Quicklime or slackline. Quicklime means calcium oxide, slackline means calcium hydroxide. बेटा ये दो चीजें आपको याद रखना है. Quicklime means calcium oxide, slackline means calcium hydroxide. Calcium oxide, its formula is CaO. Slacked lime, its formula is CaOH2. And these two are the basic. If soil is acidic, you have to treat it with calcium oxide and calcium hydroxide. But if soil is basic, too basic, then organic matter, compost is added to it. Organic matter is added to it. So how organic matter releases acid and which utilize the basic nature of the soil. तो हमको बेटा क्या याद बात रखना है कि कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड एंड कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. Calcium oxide is quicklime, calcium hydroxide is slackline. When soil is too basic, these two things are added to it. Soil is too acidic, these two bases added. And when soil is too basic, then beta manure, मतलब compost, natural खाद, जो compost है, that is the natural fertilizer, not chemical fertilizer. So naturally, manure we have to add, and manure release acid, and that acid utilize the basic nature, excessive base present in acid. These three applications is clear. Soumya is clear, beta? Now the fourth one,
Yes, sir.
मैनेजमेंट ऑफ वेस्ट मटेरियल. वेस्ट मटेरियल को कैसे मैनेज किया जाता है? डू यू नो अबाउट द वेस्ट मटेरियल? जितना भी वेस्ट फैक्ट्री से रिलीज होता है, many people they drain directly into the river. और ये डायरेक्टली उसको जब करते हैं तो उससे जो सॉइल, जो रिवर है, उसका नेचर चेंज हो जाता है. उसका नेचर चेंज होता है. द वेस्ट ऑफ मैनी फैक्ट्रीज कंटेन एसिड्स. उन वेस्ट में एसिड्स होता है. एंड व्हेन दे फ्लो इनटू द वाटर बॉडीज, द एसिड किल्स द फिश. तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू बेटा? वी हैव टू न्यूट्रलाइज द फैक्ट्री वेस्ट बिफोर throwing into the water bodies with basic substance. So in this way we can make the water bodies clean and safe for other organisms. So we discuss four things related in our everyday life. The first one is indigestion, second one is iron system, third one is soil treatment, fourth one is management of waste. Waste released by the factory, they contain acid. Before throwing into water bodies, we have to neutralize it by base. Otherwise, acid present in waste may kill the aquatic life. Is it clear? Now, some question answers. Any doubt? You can ask me. Any doubt to any student? I am showing something, question answers only, and you have to finish the question answers given in the exercise as well as in the book. I am showing you all the question answers in our chapter. Able to see it, beta? Soumya is able to see it?
Yes, sir. Able to see.
Soumya, speak loudly better. I am unable to hear.
Screen is visible.
Good, thank you. First question is differences between acid and base. So mainly four differences are there. Acids taste sour, bases taste bitter. Acids turn blue litmus paper to red, bases turn red litmus paper to blue. Third, it doesn't feel soapy to touch, it feels soapy to touch. And you can write two more, it does not affect turmeric solution, and bases change turmeric solution to reddish orange. And fifth one, it is acids found in vinegar and citrus fruits, and bases found in soap and window cleaner. Yes, Byom.
Yes, sir.
Ah, ammonia is found in many household products. Do you know about window cleaner?
Yes, sir.
And it turns red litmus blue. What is its nature? Acid or base?
It is a base.
Very good. So its nature is base. Ammonia is basic in nature since red, it turns red litmus blue, and acids bases turn red litmus to blue. We already discussed third question. Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. That is lichens. And what is the use? We can check it. Its use is to check whether the given substance is acidic or base. Fourth question is good question. Is the distilled water acidic, basic or neutral? How would you verify it? Distilled water is neutral. And we can verify it by litmus test. And neutral water does not change the color of red or blue litmus paper. वो जैसा है वैसे रहेगा. Distilled water is neutral. It is neither acidic nor basic. Few more questions. But this question is important. Fifth question. Describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example. So I already explained you. And this is the way. You can see this is the way to write answer. And this is example. Nitric acid. Okay, these are the true and false. Yes, this is good question. Amabor.
Yes, sir.
Can you read seventh question?
Seventh. Dorji has few bottles of soft drink in his restaurant, but
Good.
unfortunately, these are not labeled. He has to
Okay.
serve the drinks
Yes.
on the sir, what?
Demand.
Demand of customers. One customer wants acidic drink, and another wants basic, and the third one wants neutral drink. How will Dorji decide which drink is to be served to whom?
बड़ी दिक्कत आ गई है तो सब मिक्स हो गया. अनुमेगा क्या करेगा दोर्जी?
So you will use to check whether it is acidic, basic or neutral.
Are you agree with this? Ram Parasar, are you agree with this? Arpita? Sarthak? Adit? Catherine? Arush? ये सब लोग घूमने चले गए क्या कहीं? ये सब घूम रहे हैं. इनको बताऊंगा मैं बाद में बताऊंगा. कैथरीन, अब आप यस सर बोल रहे हैं बेटा, जल्दी बोला करो। चलिए आप क्वेश्चन तो दूसरा वो आंसर दिखाता हूँ। Dorji can use litmus test on these drinks. Just pour few drops of drink on litmus paper and take the decision according to question. According to the following: the drink that turns blue litmus paper red is acidic. The drink that turns red litmus paper blue is basic. And the drink that does not affect red and blue litmus paper is neutral. And these 8 questions we already discussed. An antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. Calamine solution is applied on the skin when an ant bite. So beta, calamine solution is base. Ant inject formic acid. So calamine solution contains zinc carbonate, which is a base. Okay. And factory waste, or only last question, that is very simple question. So I hope you all understood about this chapter, and don't forget to make its notes, contents given in the textbook. Anytime I will conduct a test. Okay, so Santipat, may I sit properly? Santipat. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram, children.